9 years. She's doing Riway 9 years already. And then in this span of 9 years, she was able to establish herself in the sense na in these 9 years, she was able to build a very, very huge group here in Riway, Philippines already. So basically, if you ask me, she's one of those people that pagka tinali mo, itali natin, paupuin natin sa chair, then itali natin siya. Then we hide her. Itago natin siya. Maybe sa isang gubat, sa isang forest, we put her there. Leave her there for 3 days. Magpapakita ka lang sa kanya pagka bibigyan mo siya pagkain. Iwan mo siya doon for 3 days. I tell you, after 3 days, when she goes out of this forest, she will become, she's even more richer. Mas mayaman pa siya compared sa pumasok siya ng ulan. Why? Because na-establish niya yung sarili. Malaking-malaki na yung group niya. Hindi na mauubusan ng sales yung team. So if you ask me, she's this kind of person already. But why is it this person, even if that may not achieve na siyang certain kind of success here in Riway, still, up until now, would go to these lengths, would go to this extent just to help her team, just to help her group, just to help the whole Philippines. And I'd say, for us inside this event, we are very, very lucky. We are very, very privileged. Why? Because this person that I'm about to introduce up on stage, she has a very, very huge task upcoming February 10. Malaking task yung actually pinutin niya sarili niya. Why? Because she's actually one of our LTS speakers for our February 10 event. Yes, can we give her a big warm round of applause? So if you ask me, ngayon lang na mag-share siya, we're actually having a glimpse of what she wants to share sa upcoming na LTS already. So, tayo yung mga nakita ng sneak peek na ng sharing niya. Am I right? Ito yung magiging sneak peek ng sharing niya. So, I am very much honored and excited to introduce up on stage. So, are you guys excited for our fourth testimony this evening? Excited na pa ba? Isip pa ba lahat? Very good. So please, help me welcome up on stage our Team Elite Pegasus, Miss Jeddah Monte. Can we give her a big round of applause?
Thank you, Team Manila. Can you please give Mr. Jonathan Sean a round of applause, our Business Development Manager? Pwede mo palakpakan natin. And of course, BD Jaime and BD Rems for having this event possible. Palakpakan din po natin. And even though I do believe that our General Manager, Mr. James Chong, is not here today because he's doing a training, can you please give our General Manager a super round of applause? Pwede mo palakpak tayo? Yan. Kasi po, pag hindi po kayo nagsasalita, hinihimatay po ako, ha? Kailangan ako. So, just kidding. So, from the start po of the presentation today, and the title of the sharing today is no other than Real Stories, Real Impact. I do believe, kung meron man pong common po sa ating mga tao, chismosa po lahat tayo. Tama? Tama po? Tama mali? Tama. At ang pinakamalupit po sa ating mga Pilipino, whenever stories are being shared to us, we get the most important things, and that is lesson. I remember when I was young, sa mga batang 90s na kagaya ko, we always watch Hiraya Manawari.
Yep.
Hiraya Man, are you here?
Yes.
Batibot?
Yes.
Siniskwela? Yan! Ang mga kababash. Sa mga medyo kung may edad na, pasensya na po, hindi ko po naabutan yung mga yun. Pero naabutan ko yung tatlong bagay na yan. And every time I watch on the television, not because I'm addicted to the television, it's because I know that when I sit down on the sofa, and the television before, alam niyo po yung TV na may window?
Yeah.
Napunta niyo po yung may bintana? Na pag hindi po gumagana, pinapakpak, tama po? At pag hindi maayos ang reception, naakit sa bubong, maayusin yung antena. Nakaka-relate po ba tayo dyan?
Yes.
Sir Leon, promise, I'm just introducing. I'll put in English in a few. So, that time, you sit down, you listen, and you watch. Right? It doesn't matter whether the picture was clear. Ang pinaka-importante po sa ating mga tao ay yung naririnig po natin dapat tama. So today, sitting here for almost 3 hours, together with the wonderful, dinner, I bet lubos-lubusin na po natin, right? I think nakaupo ka na po, mamaya na po kayo mag-message. Tingnan niyo po muna ako kasi produkto po ako ng Remy for 9 years.
Yes.
When I say I'm a product of 9 years, it means for the past 9 years, I made a decision January 22, 2017 to join this industry. Not because of the business, not because of anything else, but that time my eyes were failing. My eyes were failing, had optic nerve damage. And honestly, I also made, extra racket that time. But primarily, I used the product because of my eyes. But little did I know, I signed up a form. It's not an order form. What was indicated there is a distributor application form, right?
Yeah.
Kaya mamaya po, alam ko, wag po kayong umalis na hindi nyo po pinipirmahan. Kasi, yung pagpirma nyo po dyan, is God letting God knows that you need a lifetime supply of Portier. I repeat, huwag kayong aalis, lalo na sa guest, na hindi kayo humihingi ng form. Whether or not may pambili ka ngayon or wala, sasabihin ko sa iyo, ganyan din ako noon. But when I signed up that form, I'm so excited kahit wala akong pambayad because I know God will give me that Portier. So I don't know why you're here today. Number one, I don't know. Pwedeng number one, you're sick. You wanted to become better and it's a secret. Nobody wants, the person who invited you you don't want her to know of your illness. Or number two, you're looking for a breakthrough. Nasa crossroad ka na, 30 ka na, 40 ka na, hanggang ngayon, nangungupahan ka pa rin. Or pwedeng kulang. Lagi ka pa rin nasa London. I don't know what your situation is. Ang isa pang sitwasyon pangatlo, okay ka naman sa buhay, may pera ka, masayang-masaya ka, pero may kulang. Are you with me? Yes. So with that, I'm going to share to you a powerful tool, a powerful secret, in which why for 9 years, I never bought a single bottle of Portier. I repeat, that for the past 9 years, I never bought, hindi po ako bumili ni isang bote ng Portier. Then every month, libre po, hindi lang po ang Portier ko, pero ng buong pamilya namin. Including my household, my helpers, minsan po o madalas pati po aso namin meron. Why? Ask me why. Why? Because I did these things. I did these things. Now to all of you, I believe, during the presentation a while ago, some of you are looking online, checking about Portier, checking about the price. I'm telling you one thing. I remember owing 100,000 plus or less than 200,000 9 years ago. Pero yun na po yung huling bigay ko dahil the rest po ibinilig sa akin ng kumpanya, libre, siksik, liglig, umaapaw. So I don't care whatever is this position, but I care so much that you and your family, having here tonight, you will have an opportunity to have better health and better life.
Yeah.
Kaya pwede ngayon, may maskara ka pa, okay pa ako mag-Jeddah. It's okay. Might be, hindi mo kailangan ngayon. But if you know people around you, pwede bang i-share to? Kung ang chismis, napsi-share, ito pa kaya, pwede makabuhay, tama po? Tama si Tito Jun ang ganda ng sharing niya, magpahaba ng buhay. Marami po dito mag-asawa laging masaya, lalo na po yung may edad. Alam niyo na po yung nabubuhay. Bahala na po kayo, parental guidance. So, ladies and gentlemen, when I entered Dreamway, when I signed up that form, I was shocked. It was written there, a distributor application form. It's not an order form. And I know some things has to change. I used to become a nurse. I'm a nurse by profession, not practicing in the Philippines, but I used to practice in the States. And I'm also a clinical instructor for years. I work in the academy as a clinical instructor, teaching third-year nursing students. And if there's one thing during that day that I signed it up, sabi ko, distributor, teka, hindi ko to alam. Common po ba? Yep. Hindi ko to alam. Marami po dito, distributor, magbibenta ba ako? Are you with me? Yeah. Magbibenta ba ako? Ano ba to? Negosyo ba to? But if there's one thing really made me realize is that one thing. This is an industry na kung saan po, hindi mo kailangan ng lisensya para masimulan. You don't need a license. Imagine if you wanted to be a broker in the house, even a nurse, a doctor, a licensed dentist, even a lawyer, you need to have a license, right? But to become a distributor in Leeway, in which you can make your whole family free of diseases and have longer life, and a bonus po, reverse your aging process, kung mabata po kayo, and wala siyang requirement, I think this is something, right? Ang kailangan lang po, 18 years old and above. So bakit tingnan yung katabi? Mukha bang 18 yan?
Yeah.
O, di ba mukhang 18? Tama po, no? Sumunod naman po kayo. Mukha pong 18, di ba? Oo. Kasi papalapit na po kami maging fetus, konti na lang. So, 18 years old ang requirement, it doesn't matter whether you can read or write. Wala pong requirement. Basta 18 years old and above ka, you can do this industry. Pwede po ba palakpakan natin sa inyo? And after saying that, suddenly, I was faced with something. Sabi ni Coach Raymond, can you please give Coach Raymond Tong a round of applause? Our team supreme that is true. And of course, I would like to give gratitude as well to Miss Beth Montero and Miss Faith Ann because of them, we're not in Leeway. Coach Raymond Tong, palakpakan po natin. After I signed up, sabi niya, Jeddah, you start to take a picture. Then do not look at the picture. Sabi ko, sabihin niya, mag-take ako ng picture. Actually po, if you can check my profile now in Facebook, you will see the first day I took my first 4th year. So picture po ako, tinago ko. At sabi niya, after nun, sabi niya sa akin, Jeddah, may mga kailangan tayong gawin. Alam niyo po, if there's one thing good about this industry, you need to be a good copying machine. Again, I've never seen an industry that all you get to do is to copy the successful people and then you become successful.
Yes.
But a lot of people here inside this room, matigas ang ulo. Sabi, kopyahin, ayaw kopyahin. Right? And you know, I was shocked by the boss. You know what Mr. Lim told me during the time that I was, searching on the topic that I have to share. He keeps on saying this. No matter where you are in Leeway, you must learn to restart yourself. I'm not talking only of leaders in Leeway. I am also talking to first-timers. Because the first initial requirement in Leeway is for you to empty whatever things that you know there. Put it there. Kasi yun po, hindi po nagpabago po ng buhay natin. And discipline here is difficult. Mahirap pong magdisiplina ng tao. Tama po? Pati nga pagkain, mahirap magdisiplina, no? Tama po ba? And this industry taught me one thing in network marketing, that we have no choice but to what? To change. This industry's requirement, pinakauna po, you have to change. Say change. Pakihawakan ng puso, kailangan kong magbago. Pag hindi ako nagbago, wala akong lifetime supply ng portier libre. O, diba? So, is it okay that there are actually 4 conditions that is very vital for your growth in this industry in which you can get portier for life? Okay lang? Let's start with the first one. The first one, very difficult. You need to have a professional image. You need to have a professional image. When I first entered the Leeway office, I was wearing slippers, flip-flops, shorts, and t-shirt. Why? Because every time I go inside any direct selling company, kahit ano pong damit, sinabi nila okay lang. But alam ko po sa mga guests dito, pagpasok nyo, nagulat kayo, parang may mafia. Lahat nakaitim, plakado. Tama po? Ladies and gentlemen, a lot of people, kapag nakikita po kaming nakasuit, ang thinking po ng mga tao sa labas, sakripisyo daw po ang ginagawa namin. Honestly, when I was starting, many people thought I was wearing suits. Sabi nila, nagbibenta na daw ba ako ng insurance or Electrolux na vacuum. Tama po. It's because yung mga Electrolux dati, mga 90s lang po sinasabi ko mga batang 90s. Pag nakasuit po, nagbebenta ko ng Electrolux ko kaya insurance. Because people used to see me as wearing a suit. So that time, when I found out that people in Leeway are wearing suit, What I did, since wala po akong pera when I started Rayway, pumunta po ako sa ukay-ukay. I started to wear, a blazer first. Kasi wala akong pambili ng skirt. 100 lang yung pera ko po. Tama po na sa sapatos na formal na black. That's what I did. And I started to present. Actually po, kinanakilam lang po ako kay Rayway na yung aking palda po, fuchsia pink. Ano po yung fuchsia pink? Fuchsia pink. Joke lang po. Fuchsia pink. It's because the time, I didn't get the whole gist of Rayway. I don't understand why I need to have a professional image. But one thing hit me. Ask me what?
What?
They said that anywhere I go, I am Rayway. Grabe. Kung sinabi ko po, yung pakisabi nga po, I am Rayway. If you said it, dapat po ba ganyan ang upo mo? Dapat ba ganyan ang kilos mo? Dapat ba naka-rubber shoes ka? Dapat ba ang suot mo ba, plakado dapat? O dapat kahit ano na lang ang suot mo? You know, I never seen boss, even in one single lifetime for 9 years, na hindi po siya nakasuit. Araw-araw, he was sharing to people. Araw-araw, we sent this story, that he's always wearing suit. And he really gave, ample, the in. He's reiterating that you need to have professional image. Why? Because according to study, successful people starts by dressing successfully. Successful people starts by dressing successfully. And I remember this story, kinwento po niya. Nagpapalagay po siya ng panibagong mugs sa Mercedes niya. At that time, tinititigan siya nung nagtatalyer, nung nag-aayos nung kotse. Sabi ko sa kanya, kawawa ka naman, no? Kasi yung boss mo, ganyan lagi yung uniform mo. Sabi ko sa kanya, sabi niya, ito? Actually, 24 years old pa lang ako, ito na yung damit ko, sabi niya. 24 years old. Mr. Lim has been wearing suit professionally since he was 24 years old. 24 years old, alam ko po, hindi kagad ng damit ko. Kahit ano. And in the back of his mind, sabi niya, that is the reason why, hanggang ngayon, nagpapalit ka pa rin ng gulong. At bakit yung buhay ko nag-iba? Because ladies and gentlemen, a lot of us look in the mirror just to look at what? Tinitignan po natin sarili natin sa salamin para makita yung pangit sa atin. Tama po? But if you notice, the more you wear suit, the more you look professionally, the more you make yourselves beautiful. Can I congratulate Tita Effie Galang, our Team Supreme, amen! Our Team Elite Phoenix here, palampakan natin. Tita Effie, tayo ka naman. Look at her. At her age po, every single time she's in Rayway, I always see her sobrang-sobra po ayos na ayos. Why? Because you have to dress for success. Palakpakan po natin si Tita Effie. You have to dress well. Pakitingnan po katabi, pakisabi, dress well. At ito po malupit. Ang mundo po natin, puro po judgmental ang tao. We are selling a change in life. And if I am, for example, I am here on the stage wearing a t-shirt, a polo shirt, and a maong pants and a rubber shoes, do you think you will respect me? No. Hindi po. Leaders, ito po ako tinamaan sa sinabi ni boss. Bakit kailangan nakasuit? Ask me what?
Why?
Because we wear suit. We dress professionally. Because we are serious in changing people's lives. Kaya po sa lahat ng tao na nandito, huwag po kayong magulat. Kahit po pinagpapawisan ng kilikili namin hanggang puwet, mahal po namin ang kumpanya namin. Willing po kaming pagpawisan. Mabanggit lang po sa inyo itong very good news of Rayway. Okay, so professional image. Let's go to number 2, adequate knowledge. So to all the guests here who came here, it is very vital that after the presentation, you need to do some research. What are the research? Number 1, check about the product. How many people has been helped by Rayway? Tanungin mo yung mga tao sa paligid mo, ano yung mga ingredients? Tama po? Ano po ba? Maganda ba yung company ilang taon na? 19 years na yung company. Saang bansa na, more than 16 countries, pati Europe kasama. Ay, okay pala yan, ha? So, ibig sabihin, nagbayad lang ako ng less than 200,000 para matry yung fourth year, pero ang libre pala sa akin, negosyo, saan man lupalop ng mundo, pwede po ba palakpakan natin? You do some research. Why? Because here, this is a leadership business. You need to be adequately knowledgeable. According to Ernie Barong, knowledge is power. Ulitin ko po, knowledge is power. And a good leader must know a lot of things. Not only must know a lot of things, must be willing to reset his or herself in order to learn new things. Alam niyo po, kahit po ako itong Timuling Pegasus, soon to be supreme, kiniklaim ko na po. Kiniklaim ko na. Kiniklaim ko na, pwede mo i-claim?
Yes.
Kada leader sharing, I am always sitting inside the room. Masakit man po, pagod ako. Every Tuesday, I run towards Pampanga from Manila in order to listen to stories of people. Because for me, I am not yet a successful person. Ulitin ko po, I am not yet a successful person. Kung akala niyo po, porkit may ganito na kami mga pakpak, okay na kami, sorry po. Kami po lahat, every quarter reset, every day reset. Ano yung kulang, ano yung mali, kailangan baguhin. Ganun po kami. At ito po ang industriya at kultura ni Riway International. Palakpakan natin. Number 3, aside from adequate knowledge, this is very important. Is that why is it kami po masyadong makulit kayong i-invite? Okay lang po malaman? Yes. Kasi lahat po kami dito, we have this what you call the winner's attitude. Ano ba sabihin ng winner's attitude? We never quit amidst of anything. Alam niyo po, kaya po siguro ako tumagal ng 9 na taon dito. Kasi po yung utak ko kapag nire-reject, the more po ako nagigigil. Alam niyo po yun? Alam niyo po yun? The more kita nire-reject, the more ka-excited. Remember, there are 110 million Filipinos. Wala pa po ako sa 1%. Hindi ka po ba magigigil? Hindi ka po ba magigigil? Ang office po natin, 6 pa lang. We have Manila, Cebu, Davao, Iloilo, Cagayan de Oro, and Pampanga. Ang dami pong lugar sa Pinas na wala pong opisina. Hindi ka po ba nagigigil? You know, ladies and gentlemen, I remember when I was faced with rejection, there's one thing in my mind. It's okay. Dire-diretso lang. Because most of the time, it's not rejection, ladies and gentlemen. Most of the time, it is what? Harnessing your skill in building relationship with people. Okay, paulitin ko po. Hindi po totoong nire-reject ka. Prepare ka lang ni Lord sa finish line. Yes! Kaya po, I remember Sir Leon, he said, the most important people are the first people who rejected me. Sir Leon, congratulations. I am also like that. And I would like to share again Tita Effie Galang. I love Tita Effie. Tita Effie. She rejected me multiple times. Almost blocking me on Facebook. But because I love Tita Effie so much, I want her to live long and beautiful. And I want her to have better lives. Kinulit-kulit ko po siya. At I remember this very vividly. I told her, Tita Effie, huli na po ito. Kahit po magkalimutan na tayo. Nag-gets niyo po? Kasi why? You know, number 1, the product is effective. Number 2, the company is reliable. Pakisabi ako reliable. Ano kasi na reliable, maaasahan. Okay? Maganda po yung plataforma ng kumpanya. I think it's about time you bring more people inside. Yes. Pwede po ba palakpakan natin lahat ng guest? I never quit. That's why Tita Eka is here, Tita Marisa is here. I don't know if Tita Filmar is here, the rest of the people that I love are also in Riway. It's because I never quit with the people that I love. Pakitabi po ang katabi. I never quit with the people that I love. Yan. Okay po ba? And not only that, what is winner's attitude? You don't settle there. Huwag kang masanay na nandyan ka na lang. 1 star ka, 10 taon na, huwag kang papayag. Okay po, 2 star ka, 5 years na, huwag kang papayag. What is winner attitude? Kailangan mo challenge mo yung sarili mo. Challenge yourself. Kaya this year, I'm claiming and I'm working to become Team Supreme Pegasus 3. I'm done being Pegasus. The more po I am stuck, the more my people is not growing. And the best thing that I have to do is to shake everyone inside my team in order for them to what? To spread their wings once again. Because leaders, our job, Riway's job is to bring out the best in you. That's why, nakita niyo po yung kaibigan niyo noon, ibang-iba ngayon. Because change here is inevitable. It's a requirement. And of course, lastly, ano pong sabi pa? Aside from winner's attitude, you need to build your business with integrity. Marami po dito hindi seryoso itong negosyo ito. Actually po, in-embrace ko na siya. I don't look at Riway as anymore a career. I look at Riway as my mission and my what? Conviction. You know, when I wake up, I think of how should I start my day again? How many people's lives must be changed? Ngayon bang gabing to, may nabago ba akong buhay o wala? And ladies and gentlemen, it's not easy. It's not easy. But according to boss, if ever daw po na sinimulan mo ang negosyo mo ng tama, kalahati po ng success na daanan mo na. As long as you start to do things right just once. Palakpakan natin. Ngayon, Ma'am Jeda, may tanong ako. Actually po baon ako sa utang bago po ko pumapasok sa Riway. Posible po bang magbago rin ang value ko if I join Riway? I'll tell you with full honesty. I've met Andy So, one of the top-ranking Team Supreme in whole Riway. He owes, I heard, he owes around 10 million, 10 or 30 million Malaysian ringgit before joining Riway. Sira po ang pangalan niya. Wala na pong naniniwala sa kanya. But after joining Riway, because of the value that he created, Riway International gave him the value as well. And ngayon, sought after leader po, not only in Malaysia, but to the entire world. Kaya pwede mo man tapikin ang katabi, tapikin ulit. May pag-asa ka pa. Okay po. Walang baka natin si Riway. Now, kasama ko na po yung 4 conditions. Mabilis lang po ito. Gusto niyo po ba maging libre yung 4th year?
Yes!
Gusto niyo maging libre?
Yes!
Are you ready?
Yes!
Anim lang po ito. Number 1, you need to set a goal. What is a goal? A goal must have a deadline. Ano pwedeng goal mo? Ma'am Jeda, ang goal ko ngayon, kailangan makabili ako ng 4th year. Ma'am Jeda, ang goal ko ngayon, malapit na mag-end ng graduation, problema kapag tuition ng anak ko. Ma'am Jeda, gusto ko magkabahay. Anong klase? Be specific. Kailangan na lang mo, measurable. Anong klase ng bahay? Kung galo ba yan? Kasi maraming tao po, nangangarap ng bahay. Are you with me?
Yes!
Okay na nakalagay po. Welcome! Kasi hindi mo bahay. Pagpasok mo, welcome. Nung pumasok ka, nakalagay, thank you, come again. Be very specific. Write it down and pray for it. Set your goal. Kaya po pala hindi tayo umuusad from 1 star, 2 star, or whatever rank that we have. Is because why? You don't start dreaming again dahil nakuha mo ng pangarap mo. To all the leaders here, to all the guests, a diamond 1 star's minimum earning here is 120 to 170,000 a month. You can even earn as high as million in this industry, in this business. But if I were you, start checking your goals. Okay po ba? Start checking your goals. Mabilis na po ako kasi may time limit. Okay? So goals po is very important. Kasi a person without a goal, hindi po nabubuhay na matagal. Ano, tumawa sila.
Why?
Totoo po. A person without a goal is a dead person. Ma'am Jeda, matanda na ako, wala na akong pangarap. Hindi po ko naniniwala dito wala kang pangarap. Tinapunan lang ng realidad ang pangarap mo. Sa lahat dito na empleyado, ganyan din ako noon. Pinaglaban ko lang ngayon. Because why? My boss is earning money. Nakaupo, nagbi-pitch. Sabi mo, may-ari ng kumpanya. Samantalang ikaw, asa ka? Napakanda ugaga. Dito po, may sekreto ako sa inyo. The more kang mabilis at sipagan mo dito, kaya niyo pang umusan kami. The more industrious, the more dedicated, the more focused you are in this business, kaya niyo po pa kaming lagpasan. Hindi po dito yung porket 001 ka, ikaw na yung number 1, sorry po, hindi po dito. Marami po sa ilalim ko, Team Supreme na po, minimum rank 3. Nauusan po ako, opo. Kasi bakit? Mas masipag po sila. Tamad pa po ako. At aminado po ako dyan. So to all the leaders here, you need to set a goal. Number 2, very important. Are you with me? Yes. You need to make a list. Pakisabi nga po, list. Yes. So ngayon narinig mo ng 4th year, sabi mo, Ma'am Jeda, magiging libre ang 4th year kung ano dapat kong gawin, dapat may goal ka. Okay, by February, by January 30, may 1 set na ako ng 4th year. Sample po, January 30. But sige, continue pa lang pa. Anong petsa po ngayon? 22. Ngayon po, sulat po kayo 100 prospects. Ma'am, anong prospects? Sino ang 100 taong pwede natin kausapin na ipakita rin sa 4th year? Okay po? Okay po ba? Yes! Sabi ko nga, sana nung ko pa nakilala si Rico, isusulat ko lang pala na pwede na magbago buhay ko. Nag-gets niyo po? Sino po dito? May 8 kaibigan lang. 8 lang po. Hindi po ako naniniwala. Alam ko po, sa Facebook pa lang po niyo, minimum po kahit senior citizen, 1,000 ang friendship. Tama po. Lalo na po nagsusumpa pa yan, mas marami po kaibigan niya. Yeah. Tama po? It means to say, you need to put the people inside who you wanted to share this opportunity and this product. Write them up. Okay po? And the third thing, you need to plan. Talk to the person who invited you. Kunwari po, si Michael. Michael, are you there? She's my best friend ever since grade 2. Kayo ka naman. Soon to be, Team Elite. Pinapalakpakan po yan. I'm working. Alam niyo po, sabi ko, Mike, kailangan mo magsulat, prospect. Anong prospect? Sino pwede presentahan? At ano po trabaho ko? What is my job? Ask me what? To assist her. My job is to help her. And to teach her how to do this. Are you with me? Yes. Dapat may plano ka. Ma'am Jeda, sinulit ko lahat ng prospectus ko. Ma'am, ito po yung gagawin ko from Monday to Friday. Pati Saturday, Sunday may OPP ako. Kasi bakit? Gusto mo ba ng libre habang buhay? Na 14? Yes. Gagawin mo hindi. Gagawin hindi. Kasi libre. Ang tagal mo nga nagtrabaho sa kumpanya eh. Certificate lang binigay, pati 10,000. Minsan, meron pa lack of appreciation. Tama po?
Yes.
Ito hindi eh. Libre mong pamilya mo ng 4th year, babata ka pa, ayaw mong gawin? Tama po? So now, when you planned everything, you told your leader, what's gonna happen next? Itong trabaho ko, anong susunod mong gawin? Importante po number 4. Start presenting. Kami naman po una magpe-present, hindi po kayo panoorin nyo. Panoorin nyo. Pero may deal po tayo hanggang 3 lang. Pagkatapos ng 3, ikaw na. Are you with me?
Yes.
Ilan na?
No.
Marami dito. 1 taon na. Tamaan po. Dapat tamaan.
Ouch.
Yung iba po 5 years na. Ma'am, hindi ako makalapit. Hindi ko talaga kaya. Pwede ba kailangan dito? Hindi ako makaklose. Leaders, when you do that to all the guests, your confidence starts to grow. When you start presenting, even si 4th year tumatalab sa'yo. Alam niyo po bakit? Ako nga po isang OPP lang ni Coach Raymond, ako na kagad eh. Ako na po nag-present. Let's welcome the host, Jedeline Monte. Present ako. And of course, let's welcome the product presenter, Jedeline Monte ulit. Palakpakan natin. Testimony, ako po ulit hanggang closing ako ng mag-isa. Natuto po ako?
Yes.
Kasi Tita Epi, Tita Epi, natatawa. Nag-away pa nga kami ni Tita Epi din eh. Kasi si Tita Epi di mo mapa-speak sa stage. Kumuha siya ng presento. Pero so, actually nag-away. So, malam sa kanya Tita Epi, nagtampo. Pero alam niyo po, after nun, 3-star, sunod Pavo, sunod Phoenix, palakpakan natin. Kasi siya na po yung nag-share. Ayan. That speaker, kasi si Tita Marisa. And then yung leaders, hindi po siya madali. But then, kapag po na-try niyo po kahit yung isang capsule ng kurte, pag nadampi na po sa dila niyo, di ba dito? Pag nadampi na yan, darna! Ganun po yung pakiramdam. Araw-araw po para kaming darna. Dumadating po sa point, 10 capsule minimum a day. Yes! Ito po pinaka-importante lastly. Pagkatapos po natin ang presentahan at na-invite, ano po pinaka-importante sa lahat? Follow up. Kaya po sa lahat po ng invite, kung po kayo magagalit sa amin, tatawagin po namin ulit kayo. Bibisitahin namin kayo lagi, may dala kaming pasalubong. Bakit? Gusto po namin kasama namin kayong umunlad dito kay Riway. So, ladies and gentlemen, the path isn't easy. Binigyan ko po kayo ng walkthrough. Sana po na-refresh yung mga leaders. Na-refresh po kayo. At sa mga bago po, hindi po ako nagbibiro. Bakit? Ginawa ko po lahat yan. Ginawa ko po lahat yan. I think I don't have the audacity to speak on stage if I wasn't able to do that. Honestly, I did those crying. Crying in such a way I've been arguing with Coach Raymond Tong because my ideology of leadership is different from his. But if there's one thing Riway taught me is that you need to become a good follower because the person who invited you, his job is to make you successful. And so, wala nang ibibigay sa atin ang upline natin o yung leader natin na hindi natin ikabubuti. Lahat po yan sa ikabubuti natin. Was the process painful? Yes, totoo po. Ang hirap po kayo magbago. Lalo na yung mga marami ng networking na napasukan. Ay, grabe, ang tigas ng ulo niyan. Lalo na yung mga matataas ang posisyon sa mga kumpanya. Lalo na may-ari ng mga kumpanya, mga may kaya. Mahirap po. Pero isa lang po natutunan ko. Because I saw in my team, a lot of high-profile clients. They used to be our clients, now they are leaders because of one thing. They learn to love the mission of Riway, and that is to spread hope. Totoo nga po pala sa plataformang ito, lahat po tayo pantay-pantay. Palakpakan natin. Meron nga po dito Vice President ng isang bangko Tito Bonnet, are you there? Palakpakan natin si Tito Bonnet. Hindi po na isang bank, ayoko lang pong banggitin. Hindi ko alam kung you're in good hands or yung isa po. Security bank pa, hindi ko parang matandaan. Basta yun na po yun. But because of the family, because of the sister, because of the brother Tito Jazz, they started to do Riway as a family business. Ang maganda po kay Riway, and I'm so proud to say, it is an industry where every family, even all the family, can enjoy this kind of calling. Palakpakan natin. At yun lamang po ang masashare ko sa inyo. I hope po pinatutunan po ang lahat. And today po, honestly, I'm so proud to say it's my 9th year anniversary in Riway. Salamat po sa pagpunta. Sorry pa, joke lang. At ito lang po iiwan ko. Binabalikan ko po yung unang araw ko po na nakilala si Riway. Thankful po ako kay Tita Beth for sharing Riway to me. It seems to be impossible that the journey was not easy. Yung pagpasok po, iuutang. Lahat po ng galaw namin utang that time. 9 years ago, wala po ganito karaming tao. Iilan lang po kami sa opisina. Pero kung meron man pong nanaig sa puso po namin lahat, wala pong iba kundi sana makita ng maraming Pilipino si Riway. Kasi ito po yung industriya na kahit sino po pwedeng gawin. May pera man po o may pera, pwede pong gawin si Riway. At sa totoo lang po, nakaka-proud po. Lahat po na nakaitim dito, na nakikita niyo po, lahat po ng buhay ng mga yan nagbago dahil po sa kumpanya niyo. I thank God that that time, it sounds too good to be true, no? Kasi po, nurse ako, may lisensya ako, baka po hindi effective support year. But that time, isa lang po. Alam ko po madalas, ang blessing, hindi siya halatang blessing pag dumaan. Ang opportunity madalas, dumadating siya kung kailan ka wala. Minsan kung kailan ka ubos, minsan ang opportunity or yung answered prayer, hindi siya nakarap sa gift wrap. Madalas po, dadaan yan. Madalas dumadaan yan kung kailan mahirap yung pinagdadaanan mo ngayon. Totoo po yan, tama po. Pero one thing is for sure, I know God orchestrated the entire universe to have Mr. Lim build Riway International. Not for Singaporeans, not for Malaysians, but to the entire people, especially Filipinos. So lahat mo nandito ngayon, ipapasalamat din. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my whole team. Salamat po sa tiwala po ninyo kahit ng oras po na hindi ako katiwa-tiwala. Totoo po, andito po yung mga leaders. I think nandito ko si Dr. Atates, Tito Tom, Tita Effie, Tita Marisa, Aiso Ate Suzette, my sister Maricon, and the rest of the team. Hindi ko na po makita. Narish, Tita Marisa, hindi ko na po dito po sila Tita Lia, Tita Fenmore, Tita Vanji, and the team. Nag-start po kami, naparehas po kami lahat ko ng alam. Pero ang masarap po is Riway is a family. Pakisabi nga po pamilya. Dito po, kung ano man po ang kasiraan mo sa labas, dito po na ipapanalo natin. Kung ano yung wala ka, may pwede pong magkaroon ka dito. Kung ano yung pwedeng kapansanan mo, may pwede pong maging value mo dito. And take note, again, this is a collection of stories. Mahirap man po ang proseso. The process might be difficult, but I'm telling you, napakaganda pong, ayoko mong sabihin yung word na to eh. Napakaganda pong lumaki, kasama sa rin kasi di po ko tumangkad. It's nice po that there's a company who is there while you are growing. Growing not financially, but you're growing to become a better and a better person. And with that, thank you so much for God bless you all to all. Mabuhay po rin yung Philippines.
So one more time, let's give Jeda, our Piniling Pegasus, a big, big warm round of applause. And